Optimizing saw with 2D scanning. The MRS 450 movable and MRS 610 movable plus quick rip are highly efficient movable rip saws equipped with 3 to 4 movable blades and 1 to 4 fixed blades. The photoelectric scanning infeed system optimizes lumber cutting and lowers labor costs, leading to an excellent price-performance ratio. The user-friendly operating interface was developed in partnership with an American company called Cameron. The interface incorporates the safer and newer Apple Macintosh system. Supported languages include Mandarin, both traditional and simplified, English, Vietnamese, and more. The system is easy to operate even without highly skilled technicians. The system provides suggestions based on the user's specifications and material dimensions. After running a simulation, the optimal combination of cut size, cut width, and cutting method is chosen to achieve the most efficient and cost-effective result. The one-of-a-kind auto skew system allows the machine to make the most efficient cuts by scanning the lumber before sawing and making automatic adjustments, resulting in minimal waste. The MRS 450 movable and MRS 610 movable plus quick rip use multiple blades, 4 blades maximum, and combinations, enabling several sizes to be sawed at the same time. The maximum width saw can reach up to 450 to 610 millimeters, and the system can cut up to 12 pieces of timber each minute, making it 10% more productive than a conventional machine. The saw arbor uses a powerful motor to drive with high-speed infeed. The high quality of the caterpillar leads to improved stability while sawing timber. The anti-kickback mechanism in place improves the safety of the operator by eliminating the risk of labor accidents caused by wood kickback. A report can also be generated after each production, detailing the rate of production, quantity produced, along with total length and volume cut. This helps users easily manage production, control inventory, and calculate costs. Guangyong Machinery was established in 1960, becoming the second Taiwanese manufacturer to specialize in the design and production of high-quality woodworking machinery. Since 1989, the company has won 2 Outstanding Product Awards and 4 Excellent Product Awards in the woodworking machine competition held by the Taiwan Woodworking Machinery Development Association.